watching. Nice day. Good morning, guys. How are you today? Today is perfect day. Still warm weather. Right now in Malmö, 22 degrees. Warm. And later I'm going out walking with the music, because I'm not really talking person. And one thing I want to share with you. Yesterday, last video which I sent it about Malmö and fasting is good for you. From the TV on YouTube, I show you probably too much, and what I'm gonna try. I promote that and Google ads this video, and I show probably too much of this program from TV, from YouTube, and they approved my video yesterday, and this morning I woke up. It was about 1,000 views from yesterday, and all of a sudden I see the red sign that is not approved this video after many hours. And who had the same situation as I did. I did promote so many times other videos, because it's a so big competition nowadays, and you have to put some little bit money to into Google ads to push my videos to other countries, and other people can watch it. Because if you just send it on YouTube on your channel, that's very difficult for other people to find me. That's why sometimes I'm using Google ads, if you understand me, to put some money in it, because it's very hard to earn any money on YouTube, from YouTube. I have a lot of subscribers, but not so many hours. Maybe it's not because it's bad videos, because it's a big competition, and on YouTube so many bloggers, YouTubers sending good and bad videos. That's up to viewers. How many viewers? That is good. And that's why I'm using Google Ads. And first time this video, I already said to you, they approve and then disapprove this video. I was thinking, surprise, never happened that before. I'm doing that for like year now. But anyway, who has the same situation as I have? Let me know. Write to me in comments, okay? And today we're going out. I'm not so talking person. I want to walk, not thinking, show you around. Then I go home, do editing. I put very nice music from Upbeat. I'm using this program with a nice music. Okay, guys, let's go out. And I want to say another things, because I'm very maybe I'm patient. I want to have so many hours is quicker as possible. You know, I just have only less than half of 4,000 hours, and that's why I'm explaining to you. That's why I use Google Ads to get ruling, you know, all these hours. Yeah, of course it costs money. Yeah, and I've found the way how to pay a little bit towards Google, and I have a lot of views. I tell you example. If I pay 50 krona, $5, and during the day I get about 500 viewers. If I don't put the money, 50 krona, I get approximately 20 viewers. You see the difference between ads, using ads without 20 or 500 for 50 krona is not much really. So you don't need to put each video. Sometimes if you're thinking that is a better video and people are more interested of it, this is the way I do. And I want to remind you that I'm working very hard, seriously, about this channel and other channel. I put the same video. Year now, a little bit more than year. And I know people who YouTubers, they work in like 3 years, then they start a little bit earning money. And I want everything and now. Joking. And that's what my explanation about Google Ads. Okay guys, I'm already did spinning, watching the news. Nice weather, it's time to go. Let's go.
As the last leaf falls, so the sky falls down. Winter darkness, controller of my heart, takes a hold now. Colors fade to grey, the moves that we had made. If only in my mind. visions in the water catches just a moment in time. I search beyond the mirror that reveals so much of what I choose to leave behind. What lies beyond here? I'm so feel
My little shopping.
where the heart belongs.
And now I'm going home. This wonderful book. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe, like. See you soon. And one more thing, don't forget, give me comments about Google Ads. What do you think?